First try.
Lately, LEGO has been a huge success at the box office with the release of LEGO the Movie. But at the heart of the company is still the world-renowned LEGO brick. And of the circa 40 billion bricks made each year, around half of them are still made in the LEGO factory in Billund, Denmark, where the first plastic brick was produced in 1949. The bricks are made by heating up the raw material to approximately 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and then injecting it into molds. After it cools off, a LEGO brick or minifigure pops out. The pieces are then sent to processing, where the minifigures are decorated and assembled. Lastly, the bricks are packaged. And to ensure that the right amount of pieces go into each set, the bags and boxes are weighed a total of 12 times along the route. And from there, the sets are ready to be shipped off to toy stores around the world.